gonna try kayaking or whatever's out there. Probably not too much, but it is overcast. And it's morning. It's probably about 7:30. Alright, wish me luck. Alright, we're gonna try to get through these waves. Shouldn't be too bad. There's a big drop off right there, so I'm gonna try to get in right away. Just gotta time these waves out a little bit. I want to get my reel wet. My reel is not completely sealed. I did see some bait fish right up in here. Alright, let's see if we can get this. That was a little messy. Nothing. Yeah, that's nice. Nice. Last time I was out here, kind of why I'm coming out, had like a pretty big mama dolphin and a baby dolphin swimming right in front of me. I don't know if I'm gonna see that today though. It's pretty cool though. Oh, we got some sort of fish right there already. I do like surf fishing, especially from a kayak. It's a little scary. Scary. Not too bad though. Pretty northern beach. I don't think there's a ton of sharks. Calm out here though. But yeah, I'm just gonna cruise the shoreline. Got a DOA shrimp and some Procure, and I mean that's how I would fish anywhere else. So if it's good fishery, I should catch something. All right, well, I'll check back in if I see anything. Getting a little wavy. Been out here for like 30 minutes. Haven't really caught much. Had, I guess, a bite. I would pretty much say no bites though. But you know, it's really nice out here. Nah, I really just am not seeing any action. No bait fish. I saw like one jack come up and like flutter its tail. That's about it. But I'm trying. I got some Procure. It's a DOA shrimp. I'll show you real quick. It's pretty cool. It's got a spot where they put the weight in, right here, in the butt. And yeah, the Procure, I got it injected up in there, and it's still in there. You can see it's red a little bit. And you only need a little bit of that stuff, I'm assuming, because it's constantly dispersing. It's kind of nice. So yeah, I'm throwing a great bait. Throw it, let it sit for like 30 seconds because it's light. I'm trying to make sure it gets nice and deep. Slow jigging, fast jigging, I've tried everything. So yeah, there's just definitely not a lot of fish here. Might try a live bait from the beach later. You want to get back out, really? Pretty much a pro kayaker now. Sand.
All right.
All right.
We're in Cabo, Mexico.
Cabo, Mexico. Known for their famous orange beaches. Longboard Tommy. Riding the Gnar. Nice. Here goes Tommy. Me and Tommy are about to double up on this wave. Whoa!